Well, good day everyone. Here I am back again. Thought you got rid of me, didn't you? Tomorrow I'm hoping to go out on the bike. It'll be the first time in about 3 weeks. I'll do another little video as to why that is. But this is just to introduce a couple of little videos that I've already made on my laptop. It's about editing background noises out of videos. I finally got a holder to put this mobile phone on the handlebar of my bike and set it up. I think it was on the 16th, a couple of weeks back, and just went for a short ride down the back lane and back, not very far, and when I played it, the background noise was just absolutely astonishingly loud. I couldn't believe it. So anyway, I've got these two programs, Corel VideoStudio Pro X7, I think it is, and for audio, I've got a MAGIX audio cleaning lab, pretty old one now, but with the VideoStudio, I'm able to split the audio from the video and then import it into the MAGIX program where I can work on it. And it's, as well, if you play right through the two little videos following this, you'll be quite amazed. You don't have to play all of the loud one if you don't want to.